Good morning. It's 9 a.m. and it's John Olsen from Mongo TV, Denmark, and I record for Mongo Drones. It's Friday, the 17th April, and it'll be a nice spring day. But it's cold, but there's no clouds. So, but I have to record this in a few parts. I was flying the Hubsan 107 yesterday, and I think I have one motor. This motor got damage, so I was playing, and this is the 108. It got damaged 24 hours. It was my first drone, and it got damaged. I got this for 1.5 months ago, so I'm very new. So this motor, but I was flying like this, but I not crashed. But so I think if this motor is damaged, this is the same, so we have to take this motor out and try to put it here. But it was spinning, so I think I should test if it actually is damaged. I don't know how well we can see, because the camcorder is on 1x zoom, so we have to be able to see the disc. I think we can do it here. So before I pull the motor out, this, I think it's better I have to test if it actually is damaged. So I will do the transmitter ready, and this is drains. There's no power on the transmitter, but just got okay, this is a transmitter from this. I have two transmitters, so I have taken, there's no batteries, so of course it's not working. So this is why you have no battery. It's the box from the 108. I took transmitter. So but I have to do it in small steps because I'm new to this. But I got a better soldering iron from China. It can be up to 400 degrees, and I got a better soldering wire too. There's a 0.3 millimeter. So I got a better soldering iron and better, but I think first I have to test if it actually is broken. I have the old version. This is original Hubsan, but this is old motor, so I will not take old motor and put on the 108. So better I do it from this. And we got power and transmitter. So I'll have to do it in small parts, because I'm so new at this. And we have a binding. And go to expert. As you can see, what's strange, if I But I think it's because of the gyro. When I turn it in the air, see now they all fall. But if I turn it, oh, it's because of the gyro. Yes. It's try to stable, it's auto stable, so of course you cannot test it like this. But you see, this is not. But if you spin it, but it's not working right. Cannot fly like this. But now it's a bit strange. So they did it like this. So, and then if they do like this, but it's a damage. You cannot fly like this. So, but now it's working, and now it's not working. Now it's not working, so I think its motor is damaged. Cannot fly like this. So I think this motor is damaged, but now it's working. So, and now it's not. So it's a bit strange. So I have to take the propeller off. Remember this motor, now we got a spare propeller, and this motor is damaged. So I will take, but it can be the print card too, but it's not a very expensive drone. I just have to buy some new and use this for spare parts, and I will charge just so it's 100%, and I will turn off the transmitter and put it back. So what we do now, it's because this fit okay, because they are counterwise and clockwise, but you have to take this motor. It needs to be yes. You have to take this motor out and put here and solder it, and this motor is damaged. So what to do? We have to. I will just I put the black on so I remember. This is a damage. So what we have to do is to open it, but I have to do in smaller parts. But I think I have fresh coffee, so I think I will take a cup of coffee now and make part 2. I'll just make it ready to open it. We have to open both. So I was lucky I find this from my micro helicopters. So I don't know which is the smallest, but got a micro screwdriver ready, and it's both drones we have to open. So, but I think this is a part 1. We have one damaged motor, and we have to take this out and solder it to this. But this will I will open it in part 2. And this is John Olsen again. Okay, I forgot. I got this yesterday, this charger, and I found a cable. There's it. I don't know if it's this cable, but I found a micro. I don't think it's this one. Okay, it's this one. And now I can connect this to my PC laptop. I got this program Charge Master I found. So now I can put this to my PC. So, but I never try. I don't know. I think I put the cable down here. I'll maybe put it up here. There's more cable here to the charger. But I will go and get a cup of coffee and smoke, and make a part 2 later.